Alright, this is going to be a really quick tutorial on how to install the Ark Computing mod pack. So I'm going to go as quick as possible. So I'm here on the Discord server, under the Minecraft server announcements page. In the pinned message, there is a CurseForge page link. I'm going to go ahead and click that. You can trust CurseForge links from now on if you want on Discord. I'm going to check that. So, this is the Ark Computing page for the mod pack. So to start, we need to get the launcher. And if you already have the launcher installed, then just skip ahead a little bit in the video. But if you don't, then we're going to just start from scratch. So up here at the top right, there's the Get CurseForge app button. Click that. That will bring you to a page here. This should be platform specific, depending on which platform you're on. It should give you the download here. So click down there. If for whatever reason this page isn't there, you can go to more download options, or if that page is there and your platform's not listed for whatever reason, this is all of the platforms that are available for the CurseForge launcher. So for Mac and Linux, as you can see, there's only the CurseForge standalone. And for Windows, there's CurseForge on Overwolf and CurseForge standalone. My recommendation, go with a standalone. If you get it on Overwolf, you have to make an account and log in. But if you just use a standalone, then you're fine. No logging in required at all to install the mod pack, other than logging into Minecraft. So, once you have it downloaded, we're going to go ahead and install the CurseForge launcher. So installing the CurseForge launcher, of course I'm on a Mac. This is going to be different depending on which platform you're on. For Mac, drag and drop it into Applications. Give it a second. Okay, that's installed in my Applications folder. Now I'll just open up CurseForge. You need to make sure that CurseForge is open, the launcher is open, before we move on to the next step, just in case. Pretty sure you could get away with not having the launcher open, but just in case, let's open it up just to make sure that we don't run into any problems like this. So on a Mac, I have to confirm that. On Windows, you might get a user access control window where you have to select yes. I'm not sure if CurseForge runs as administrator on Windows on first launch. So accept whatever you need to accept. You'll get here. So this is the launcher. This is what you're going to be opening every time that you want to play on the server, or just use the mod pack, or any mod pack in general. But we're going to focus on installing the Ark Computing mod pack here. So, like I said, this is the launcher. There's only one ad. Now, you may have noticed I'm not logged in to the launcher. You do not need to be logged into the launcher at all to do any of what I'm about to do. You don't need to be logged in to CurseForge, the website. You don't need to be logged into the launcher for CurseForge. No logging in at all. I have a login because I developed the mod pack, but for regular users that just want to play like you, there's no need to make an account unless you want to. I mean, if you make one, then you could leave a comment about how awesome the mod pack is. Anyway, said I was going to make this a quick tutorial, so let's continue. So back over to the page. This is the Ark Computing page, so I still had it open. If you get lost, you can always find it in the Minecraft server announcement channel on the Discord server. And the page is right there, CurseForge page. Click that and it'll bring you to this window. I have CurseForge running, the launcher. So on the web page, there is an install button over here to the right of the window. I'll go ahead and click that, and that's it. This will automatically install after downloading. It'll automatically download and then automatically install the mod pack. I believe it picks the most current version. At the time of this recording, there was only one version, but in the future, as there's more versions, I believe that the newest version will be selected. You may have to make a selection, but the newest version is being installed here. So, it's all installed. So you could click play here, or we're going to do more frequently. Anytime that you want to play on the server, you just go to the My Mod Packs tab here, and you can see Ark Computing is right here. So go ahead and click play on that. and it will open up a Minecraft launcher. Okay, so the Minecraft launcher is launched. So I'm already logged in, but over at the top you will have to log in with a Microsoft account. Now your Minecraft account must be linked to a Microsoft account. If you haven't played Minecraft in a while and you only have a Mojang account, you must migrate it to a Microsoft account to play on the server. So after you've logged in, then just click this play button right here. And this may take a while. So this is going to install everything that you need to play the server, or to play the Modpack. And as soon as it's done, it will open up Minecraft. No other input required. So let's wait. Okay, so a few minutes later, here we are in the main menu. So here you can adjust, let me turn the volume down real quick, the music. So here you can adjust any settings that you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to just move on. So you can change any settings that you want here. The Modpack doesn't come with any custom settings or anything, so everything is just default Minecraft settings. So you'll need to change those yourself to suit your preferences. So to actually join the server, go to the multiplayer tab. This screen shows up. I think this was added in a recent Minecraft update, just basically saying that Mojang and Microsoft are not responsible for any content that is on third-party servers. So I would definitely check do not show the screen again, so you don't have to look at this every time. Then hit proceed, and you're done. So, as you can see here, the official Ark Computing server is already installed, or it's already set up here. So, quick double click on it, and we'll load up in a server. And once we're in, I'll be back. Alright, there we go. So, just like that, it takes less than 10 minutes to go from nothing to playing on the server. So, hope to see you all there. If you have any questions, feel free to ping me on Discord. Otherwise, have fun. See you on the server.